Alrighty, we are on step number 9, the final step, which is steps to make your first conversion. Okay, now this is just my opinion on what to go ahead and do. This is what I believe works, is what's worked for me. Alright, what you need to do is go ahead and log into your back office, scroll down to the bottom of your page, and go ahead and click on the link. It says back office at the bottom. Alright, once we log into here, this is, in my opinion, what you need to go ahead and do to go ahead and make everything happen for you in the quickest time possible. There's a few trainings here I do recommend for the beginners. I recommend article marketing is your first step you should do. Okay, between article marketing, if you want to do the free methods, okay, and then if you want to do a paid method, I definitely recommend banners. Okay. So anyway, let's talk about article marketing first. If you want to do article marketing, then you're going to find the training. It says article marketing. Okay, here it is. As you can see right here, you just want to click on it. Alright, and it's going to pop up a bunch of trainings in here that you need to go ahead and go through. This stuff is very good information. This will show you how to fully do the articles and put everything together. Alright, so you need to go through and listen to each one of these trainings in here. Alright, I do believe there is 5. Okay, learn these essential do's and don'ts for writing articles. Okay, understand the e-sign articles policies and guidelines in order to get your articles published faster. That's a very, very true fact right there. The better your article, the quicker they will publish it for you. If your article is no good, they just won't even publish it. They'll just tell you that they cannot accept it. Okay. The next one is the new rules from e-sign articles. Okay, and then learn how to master researching and competition for reverse marketing. Okay, and then as we scroll down here, there's a couple more, and then here's some article marketing tips. There's, I think he's got 3 sections here. The first section is Introduction to Article Writing and Marketing Training. Okay, these are very, very good. This is a bunch of rules and guidelines and stuff, and this is how you do different things to go ahead and make your article, I like to say worthwhile. I don't want that to sound bad, but it's make it worthwhile putting up. Make people want to go ahead and read it. Alright, so you want to go through that. Section 2, Article Writing and Marketing. These are some guidelines and some different things that you need to go ahead and go through and check out before you start writing. See, this is all conditioning your brain to go ahead and learn all this information. That way you can put it into your articles once you write it. Alright, in section 3, paragraph and grammar structure. This is going to teach you how to structure, obviously your paragraphs, but your body, your whole entire article. Alright, and that's basically it for that one. You need to go through all that stuff. That'll take you a little while, but it's really, really good information. One other thing you need to look at is keyword density. Whenever you're writing articles, you want to make sure that your density is in between 3 and 7%. And what I mean by that is you want to be sure that your keyword is in your title. Say let's, for example, say your keyword is work from home. Okay, say your title is I want to work from home online. Work from home is in your title. You want to make sure no matter where it's at, you just want it to be, those 3 words have got to be together. Alright, so we're going to find keyword density and click on this. It's only like a 15-minute training. Alright, but then, okay, as we talk, the title is together. Then in your body, you also want to have that same keyword in there between 3 and 7% of the time. Alright, and there's a formula to make sure of that. So what you need to do, and that's your keyword density. That's what we call your keyword density. You want to go to that training, okay? Scroll down. The video is only like 15 minutes long. It's very, very short and to the point. Gerald shows you a formula to go ahead and come up with the 15% or a 15-minute video showing you how to go ahead and come up with between 3 and 7% of your keyword density. Alright? If you don't want to watch the video, the formula is actually, he has listed it right here on the page. This is the formula. Okay? And then he's got some notes down here for you to look at too as well if you want to go ahead and do that. I recommend it all. The best place to put articles is e-sign articles. I have created you an account previously in the Faststart. I'm sure we've went over that already, so you should know about how all that stuff works. Okay? You should be ready to start writing. There's one more. If you're a presidential member, you get all the keywords done for you. So what you're going to want to do is go right here. I'm not going to go into it right now because I'm not sure that everybody that will be seeing this is a presidential member, so I'm not going to do that. But I will show you where it's at. It says keyword research presidential members only. Okay, right here it is. Keyword research presidential members only. You'll go and click on that. It'll ask you for your password, and then you'll go ahead and go in. And then that's how you go ahead and download all the documents for all of your keywords that you can go ahead and pick from. You want to be sure you watch the video on there as well, so you know how to compile all the information in your head. You know where Gerald and how he come up with all of it. Okay. And then now, let's say you want to do some paid methods. I recommend, personally, banners. I would say pay-per-click, but pay-per-click is a little bit too detailed for a beginner to have to learn. Banners is you can't fail as long as you pick the right website. So as you can see right here, banner ads. Okay, Gerald's put a few ads together to go ahead and put up on different websites after you find your website. Alright, so we'll go into this really quick here. I want to go through this kind of quick. I don't like to make my videos too long. I don't want to make anything boring. Okay, so we scroll down through here, and all these banners, Gerald has went ahead and made all these up and put them in the back office for us all. Okay, so we'd scroll down and we can look through all these. You can look through them too if you just go in your back office and click on banner ads. Scroll down, and then he tells you some information for placing the banners, and then he gives you the codes for each one of the banners to place on that person's website. So say you're ready to put your banner up on somebody's website, you're going to need to send them an email with this code in it, and this is the code to that banner. Okay. Alrighty, now we're going to keep scrolling down here, and there's a few other trainings you want to look at. I'm just giving you tips in my opinion on what to start with. Okay, banner advertising. This will go ahead and teach you how to do the advertising and do all the research. Alright, and then there's that should, if you go through those two, you should be pretty good. That's a lot of information. Then you want to be sure you learn all the keyword information and get all that down. And then that should be your paid methods. If you learn those 3 trainings, then you should be good. Anyway, I just wanted to make that quick video on how to go ahead and make your first conversion between articles and banners. Articles for free, banners for paid. You should be good to go. Depends on what kind of a budget you have. Anyway, if you guys have any questions or any concerns that you need to discuss with me, you guys know how to get a hold of me. Just go to the Faststart website. My number is on there, as well as the email for me, and then my Skype. Everybody should have my Skype by now. Alrighty guys, I will see you guys later. Let's go ahead and change today for a better tomorrow, and let's make it happen. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.